Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one I will put on the right. Next, y we put on the left, ds we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one, that is about sin x over cosine x. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of this one with negative, we have ln of the absolute value of cosine x, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 1, y equal to number 0. So if we put number 0 on here, there is no solution. That means we don't have the particular solution in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.